from this weekend's storm. We're covering Colorado's weather tonight. Meteorologist Dave Aguilera in Colorado's Weather Center. Dave?
Hi, Kathy. Yeah, we're watching Hannah down here. Here it is on the satellite, spinning right down here in South Texas. Now, eventually, a little bit of this moisture will get trapped in the monsoon flow and work its way up. But when it does make it into central Mexico, northern Mexico, it's going to mix with a high pressure area, and that's going to kind of filter out a little bit of the moisture and keep it down in Mexico. So I don't think we're going to see the full brunt of the moisture from Hannah, but we will see a little bit of it trickle up into Colorado. Speaking of trickling up, we've had quite a bit of moisture again today with the monsoon. Let's take it full and show you where the storms are. You can see the majority of the storms we got right now are just right over the southern stretches of our state here. Earlier, we had a few storms pop in some of the mountains of the Front Range here, but those didn't last too long at all. The bigger thunderstorms now are kind of congregating right along the Palmer Divide area here, and we've got a few severe storms way out there east of Kit Carson out there and south of Burlington. There's actually a severe thunderstorm warning over Cheyenne Wells area and Weskin, which is a little community out there. Could see up to golf ball size hail. 60-mile-per-hour winds are stronger, and a lot of lightning out of that, and heavy rains as well. So they're getting pounded, and that line extends all the way back to Flagler back here. You can see some of the bigger storms back there as well. Now, meantime, here's what happened in Denver today. A couple of waves, very light rain moving through our area. There's another little batch of moisture coming across Fairplay into Bailey. I think the South Metro area will pick up a little more rain out of that as it moves through, and that extends all the way into southern Colorado, where the Sangre de Cristos have had a little problem down there, all the way down there into Huerfano and Las Animas counties near the town of Weston there. They had some big thunderstorms there, up to ½ to 1 inch rainfall amounts down there. And there's another little pocket. See that little green dot right there? There are two burn scars in that area. One is called the Spring Burn Scar, and the other is the Decker Burn Scar. And you get any rain on those burn areas, you could have some flooding as well. And that goes till 6:30 out of that area. And that whole area has a flash flood watch through the evening as well, from Salida all the way down there in the southern Sangre de Cristos. Mike Quaintance, he's one of our weather watchers up in Bailey. He had over a ½ inch of rain today. And since these storms started on the 24th, take a look at that. He's had over 2¼ inches of rain up there near Bailey. It is soaked up there. His humidity's at 90%, as you might guess. 83 was our high temperature at the airport and downtown today, a little bit cooler than what we had yesterday, and right now it's 72 in the city. Humidity up there at 56%. So these storms will be moving out tonight. Some areas might have enough moisture where they have a little bit of fog, like along the Platte River in the morning tomorrow with a few clouds. We'll have sunshine in the midday, and then thunderstorms will fire up in the afternoon, but they're mixing with slightly drier air tomorrow. So our chances for storms are only about 20% for Denver and the Northeast. Most of the rainfall that will occur tomorrow will happen in the mountains, higher areas, it looks like. Low temperatures tonight on the chilly side, upper 50s to near 60 around here in the Front Range areas. And then tomorrow, 80s and 70s to the east, 70s primarily in the mountains, and we'll be in the 90s and 80s out on the western slopes. So for tonight, close to 60 with some showers and storms. Tomorrow, just a little bit drier with some isolated storms, about 20% chance of that. 83 ought to be the official high tomorrow. And then 85 on Tuesday. We got a cold front. We got a little more moisture mixing in with Hannah, up to 60% chance for that. And then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, upper 80s, and our chances go down to about 10%. Slight chance coming our way. So once we get to Wednesday, Kathy, we'll kind of dry out, and it should lead into a mostly sunny weekend as well.
Looks pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Dave.
You're welcome.